My name is Eran Binet, and I'm the founder of cyberPlace.org, a unique cybersecurity online course platform. This website is the outcome of more than a decade of teaching cybersecurity curriculum to high school and college students, successfully opening doors to high-tech and cyber defense roles. Following a quick registration process, subscribers may choose to browse free of charge in any one of the currently offered cybersecurity building blocks: network communication, cybersecurity programming, operating systems, and web attacks. To maximize their efficiency, subscribers may further enroll in the fully available, attractively priced website curriculum. Unlike existing, primarily high-level and video-based online platforms, which are unable to crack the complexity and promote understanding, cyberplace.org offers multiple learning channels, numerous challenges, and solved exercises, and focuses on both theory and hands-on know-how to demonstrate the practical beauty of cybersecurity and prepare you for your upcoming cybersecurity career. Each of the provided building blocks is presented in 3 learning tracks: an online textbook, accompanying each topic with a detailed explanation, recorded audio, diagrams, and annotated examples. A set of exercises and solutions, targeting problem solving and teaching for understanding. An online course, featuring the online textbook, accompanied by multiple choice questions, and a progress bar, thereby continuously growing students' understanding. Throughout learning, subscribers are invited to make use of the growing questions and answers repository, consult and engage the community, and upon course finalization, request a course completion certification. Thank you for listening and for making this website your learning academic platform of choice.